Welcome to Joidala Fashion Guide. So I just want to show you the other practical side of what I did to the bubu. In the live video, I showed you how I cut out this bubu. So I'm not going to be talking about cutting now. So I'm just going to, I mentioned ironing. So I'm going to show you the ironing part of it. So fold it into two. You can just use your iron to smoothen it out. So you do this if your fabric is rough. I want to get the shoulder line. So make sure that the armhole here, that both of them correspond. So this gives us our shoulder line. So I'm going to also do the other parts. Okay, and then for this armhole, I made mention of using hemming glue to complete it. So let's just do that. So you open it up like this. You place your hem glue on it. And then you just fold it down 1/2 inch and iron. So that is it. No stitch will be shown here, will be sewn here. So I'll repeat same for the other side. And just fold it down like this and iron. That's just all. So it doesn't require any seam. So now let's move to the neckline. This is the wrong side. So we cut this out during the live video. So we just place it on. This is the gummy side. So you place it on it like this. Any excess, we'll trim it off later. any excess around the neckline. But just make sure that it covers every part, and just use your iron. I didn't shift it well. And I have some excess here. We can trim and apply it here. So that is just all for the ironing. So the next thing now is to go and sew. So when you flip it to the right side, if you have any excess around the neckline, you can just trim it off. So let me show you what I've done. I just shape the edge of the facing, and then I now weave it around. So now let's position on the neckline and sew. So this is it after sewing round. So like I said in the video, we are going to notch. So I'll notch this corner. Let me start from this side. Cut close to the seam and stop. Close to the same line. Make sure you don't cut through. So after stitching like this, the next thing is to go and iron it. Start sewing. So you are flipping this to the wrong side like this, and then we iron. So I didn't understitch, so Some people used to understitch. See if the front side is okay. Okay. You can use your hem glue to just hold it down. Okay, we have hold it down. So we are going to join the side. We join the side, fold it down, and that will be all. So before you start, you can weave here. Just weave here. Weave the armhole. Then, like I said before on the live video, we are joining here with 1/2 inch. So weave it first. We sew here 1/2 inch and then 1 inch straight down. So before I end this video, let me just show you the down part. I'm going to fold it, and that will be all for this tutorial. So this is the down part. So you first of all fold 1/2 inch. So iron it, make sure it's straight. And then we'll now fold 1.5. So if you like, you can also use your hem glue, but I'm going to be sewing so that it will be easy for the customer to loosen it later. So that will be all for this tutorial. So I've come to the end of this tutorial. Just do same for the other side, and then, like I said before, stitch the side, and that will be all. I'll see you again in another tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.